CMMS is at the core of digital transformation and maintenance operations. But what does that mean exactly? CMMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System. The purpose of CMMS is to streamline asset management and infrastructure maintenance by replacing paper files and basic Excel spreadsheets with a dedicated software. CMMS centralizes information and schedules maintenance tasks. It can be used across various sectors such as manufacturing, education, healthcare, transportation, and logistics, regardless of the company's size. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of an effective CMMS. Firstly, it improves asset care by providing a clear overview of the company's equipment, a track record of maintenance activities, and technical documentation for each piece of equipment. It also facilitates preventive maintenance plans, helping to anticipate maintenance needs and prevent unexpected breakdowns. Stock management of spare parts ensures the availability of necessary resources, and mobile tools allow technicians to access maintenance information and upload data in real time. Furthermore, CMMS enables detailed analysis of activities and associated costs for effective performance management and informed decision-making. In short, CMMS makes your maintenance team's life easier while ensuring better tracking, fewer breakdowns, significant cost savings, and improved customer satisfaction.